How to connect Verizon remote to Samsung TV. First, turn on both your Samsung TV and your Verizon Fios TV 1 or Fios TV 1 Mini before beginning the pairing process. Step 2. Pair the Verizon remote with the Fios box. Point the Verizon remote toward the Fios TV box. Press and hold the play/pause and 0 buttons together. Then release them when the blue LED starts flashing. Wait until the light stops flashing. Your Verizon remote is now paired to the Fios TV box. Step 3. Program the remote for your Samsung TV. Using the Verizon remote, go to the menu, Settings, Voice Control, Fios TV Voice Remote, then Program Voice Remote, and then Automatic Setup. The Fios box will attempt to detect your Samsung TV automatically. When you see success, the remote has been programmed. Step 4. Use manual setup if needed. If automatic setup doesn't work, go to Program Voice Remote, select Manual Setup, choose Samsung as the TV manufacturer, and then follow the on-screen instructions until the setup is complete. Step 5. Test the remote. Check that these buttons work: power, volume up and down, mute, and input. If they all respond correctly, your Verizon remote is successfully connected to your Samsung TV. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.